Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix the YouTube is not supported on this device error so you can start watching videos again without any issues. First, check if your device is updated. Go to your system settings and install any available software updates because outdated systems often lose compatibility with apps like YouTube. Next, update the YouTube app itself. Open your App Store and make sure you're using the latest version, as older versions may no longer be supported. If the problem continues, try clearing the app cache and data. Go to your device settings, find the YouTube app, and clear cache. This helps remove corrupted files causing the error. Another option is to uninstall and reinstall the YouTube app completely, giving you a fresh version that works properly. If your device is very old, it may no longer support the app, so you can use YouTube through a web browser instead. Finally, restart your device and try again, and the issue should be resolved. Subscribe the channel for more videos.